In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the font size in Google Chrome. If you want to make text easier to read or adjust how web pages appear, Chrome lets you change the default font size in just a few simple steps. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click Appearance from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you find the Font Size option. Click the Font Size drop-down menu and choose the size that works best for you. You can select very small, small, medium, large, or very large. Chrome applies the change immediately, so you can open any web page to see how the new font size looks. If you need even more control, click Customize Fonts just below the font size setting. Here, you can adjust the minimum font size using the slider, which helps make small text easier to read on websites that use tiny fonts. After making your changes, refresh any open web pages if necessary. Most websites will display text using your new font size preferences automatically. That's how to change the font size in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.